Hi, my name is Jan Teyer. I'm from Barcelona, Spain.
Nora, I'm from Barcelona, Spain.
Julia, I'm from Romania.
Is Alexandru. I am from Romania.
It's Roxana Haidu. I'm 22 years old and I'm originally from Romania.
One of my best memory here is like when I was in this festival, Taj or something like this. And when we do like all henna and we try to wear sari and I was a part of the Indian culture. So that was one of my favorite memories.
When I came the first day here on campus and I was exploring a little bit the campus and I came across some guys that were playing football. And for me, Spanish guy, that I love playing football, I wanted to join them. So they invited me to come and we were playing like for a couple hours and it was an amazing time.
Also, like all the travels that I made here, I recommend to enjoy as much as you can the weekends to discover and explore. But here in campus, I think to be part of the culture, like getting to know the food, the different traditions, and sari here is a really like a big thing. And being honored to wear a sari for me was wow. So they made me feel that way, like a real Indian.
It's the most wonderful because some days ago I participated to a conference organized by CGC Jhanjeri and was a pep talk where speaker was Dr. Mehta and where I found a super thing about the life that destiny chooses us and probably I was chosen by God to be here and I am so happy for this.
When I visited the rock garden in Chandigarh and I visited it at night, not really at night, it was evening and it was very dark and it was also rainy. I visited the garden not by myself but with one of my friends and the atmosphere was extremely beautiful. It was exquisite and it was also very romantic as well.
I'm doing my internship in both International Relations Department and Branding Department. And so far it's been a very good experience which has helped me grow as a professional in communication and as well in working as a team and understanding how different people can work and get the job done.
Internship in design, in graphic design, I have learned so many tricks from my colleagues. They made me feel like really like part of the team, but also at the same time I'm a Spanish teacher and I'm really proud of my students. Like they work so hard to learn that confidence in a new language, so I try to make the best that they can learn as much as I can Spanish, and I love it so much.
An intern in the HR department, the Human Resources department of the college. And so far I learned a few things, a couple of things, such as how to calculate a wage or a salary. What is the minimum wage in India, for example, how economics works in India, as well as how to recruit people.
I do my internship for branding and there was the place when I learned a lot of things, neither in the Photoshop and Adobe, neither in like a personal thing like going and being a team.
I'm doing the internship in management department and there I study a lot of business ethics, economics, management and so many soft skills and hard skills which we have to do for our professional career.
My favorite spot on campus is the canteen, or how they say it here, the mess. Not only because it's eating time, but also because I can try new Indian food and I can get to know more people and meet my friends there and we can chat for a long time.
It will be the food court. I'm a foodie, so I love food, but I don't like spicy, so I was like a big deal to try new things that are not spicy here in India. But my friend taught me this like thing that is an egg roll that I love it so much, and it's not that spicy. So there I can find like different places and different tastes that I would like, and I will recommend you to try everything.
My favorite sport in the campus is like basketball. I stay with the girls in night there and we play until 7 o'clock, a lot of basket. Also, we stay a lot to speak to each other and to know each other better, and like it's almost like doing a sport and knowing each other.
Favorite spot is the hostel, because the boys' hostel, because that's where I stay. And that's where I get to know and learn and meet lots of new people from different backgrounds, different states of India. And that's also where I get to learn a lot from them.
The Central Park, when you can take some rest in your free time. I just like spending time with my friends in Block 4, because in my first days, I was there and I met a lot of people. And there I ate for the first time in my life Kala Jamun, where we celebrated one of staff members' birthday.